Let's take a look at how, when I'm in Zoom, I can use Pear Deck when a teacher creates an activity that we're going to work on together. So your teacher will share that link to a Pear Deck in the chat in Zoom. You'll see that chat down here in the bottom. It shows me that I have one chat message available. I'm going to click on it, and I have this link from my teacher in Zoom. So I can copy this and come to Chrome and paste that in, and it will ask me to log into my Google account because my teacher needs to keep track of who's answering. It's not available to others what I answer, but so that my teacher can see what I am answering in Pear Deck. It will ask me how I'm feeling today. If you don't want to answer that, you can certainly skip that, but I can tell it how I'm feeling. That gives my teacher an idea of how I'm feeling that day. And it will bring me to this first slide. Again, I can't see my teacher and my slideshow at the same time unless I stack them next to each other. But we're not going to get too complicated on that. I'll still hear my teacher in the background, which they'll walk me through this because they're controlling the slides on and how we're pacing through them. So, for example, if my teacher might be teaching me about the scientific method, they will advance it. So, again, this isn't happening on my machine, it's happening on the teacher machine. They advance it, and it brings me to this next slide. I will answer. I don't need to hit submit or anything, but that goes to my teacher and they will see my responses. As do they will probably pause here and be talking to us, give us a chance to answer. And when the teacher is ready, they will advance on to the next slide. They may have a video for us to watch independently or some info or a graphic, and they can walk me through these items. Again, if they have another interactive, this one allows me to draw. I might want to circle the one I feel is correct. I can undo, I can erase my writing. And again, my teacher walks me through this. And when they are finished, again on the teacher end, they would end, and it will end, and it will ask me, how did it go? Down in the bottom here, you will see you still have Zoom. Your Zoom call is still going. You will still hear your teachers. To flip back to that Zoom call, I click on the Zoom link and I'm back in that Zoom call. Even while the Pear Deck is going on, I can flip back and forth if my teacher calls me back. So it's in Chrome is where the Pear Deck is, and Zoom is where the call is.